Dear students, how is going your study and how are you all? I hope you all are well and your study is also going on well. Let us start the remaining part of the 3. Chapter 2, that is the life at Hawthorne School. Now see, it's very interesting chapter and the Hadith story is running in this chapter. So let us now read this, the remaining part 3rd. On one side of the classroom where the new student gathered to hear the solemn reading of the rules and large door open onto a beautifully kept garden. Means on the one side of the classroom and the another side of the classroom where the new students all collect there. Why did they collect? Let us know. They all our students were collected there and they were collected there to listen the solemn a very serious reading of the rules and regulation of the new their boarding school. So now there was a large door open to a beautifully decorated, beautifully kept garden. So they all were collected there, gathered there to listen the seriously rules and regulation of their boarding school, that is the Hawthorne. And while they were waiting for the Mademoiselle Lullaby to come, and had slipped out to look at the little clusters of the prime roses in the short grass, the fat buds on the horse chestnut trees were just beginning to open and show with the bites of wrinkled leaves. Now see, while they were waiting for the Mademoiselle, who was that? Their Miss. That's the Madam. That is a French, a title for refer to an unmarried woman that's pronounced the Madames and Mademoiselles. So now she was there to do the serious reading, lullaby to come, and had slipped out to look at the little clusters of the beautifully roses which were in the garden. There was small grass, beautifully decorated with the grass and flowers. The garden was really very beautiful, so that the fat birds on the horse chestnut trees, the fat birds are a very fatty type of birds which was blossom there in the chestnut, that is the kaju जो हम dry fruit use करते हैं, that is the kaju. The trees were just beginning to open and show bites of the wrinkled leaf. The many type of trees were there in the garden and they were bosoms in beautifully way, that's like the chestnut trees was there and just beginning to open and show the bites of the wrinkled leaves. It was just going to show the small things of the wrinkled, जिसे हम कहें folded leaves, and a little woolly cloud floating overhead, which seemed to have drafted over the mountains. It looked like the Sanghapali. It's maiden god. It's just a small god or fun god. The little white orphan god that had his favorite in the pastures. Pastures yani the field of the grass. Hare charagaha, khet, not khet, that is the charagaha, green grass fields. So that a little clouds was floating, yani swimming, just like hovering in the sky of the beautifully clouds was there, and atmosphere was very beautifully and energetic. The enthusiasmly they were all enjoying this beautifully environment and atmosphere, and which seemed to have the drafted over the mountains. And these all beautifully sight and scenery of the garden, it's looking so beautiful. It's looked like the Sanpali. The title White God, it's all atmosphere creating a scene of the white God had his favorite in the pastures, which was the Hades. Hades, the main character of the lesson. There's the favorite thing in the fields of the grass. Hades, here she comes, the one of the girls. Hades, come here. Some girl make her aware. Come here. Don't go there and don't be spend the time in the garden. We are gathered here to listen the serious lecture of the rules and regulations. So now Hattie just had to come to slip back into her place when the Mademoiselle Lullaby marched in. When their Miss Lullaby entered in the assembly hall, they were all collected to listen the rules and regulation of the Hawthorne school, so that she had to return at their own place. And now the headmistress began to read in a solemn voice. The headmistress started to reading of rules and regulation of their school, and She read on and on for 2 long pages. She read regularly to great pages, to large pages, 2 large pages, and she read it regularly. All the students were much impressed and looked at one another in the silence after headmistress had left the room. She was reading continually the rules and regulations of the school, and now all students were highly impressed and looked very seriously and sincerely at one another, and they were listening each and every rules and regulation of the school very silently. You all are able to sit silently in the class? Let us see. Silently after the headmistress left the room, but lies more mischievous than the rest. But the more notorious, but lies more notorious than the rest, spoke like Mad Miss Lullaby. But the friend lies were more naughty nature type of girl. She spoke like Mad Miss Lullaby. Above all, it is the forbidden to take the rules too seriously. She says in a joking way that there is no need to follow the rules and regulation very seriously. They were just joking it all, and the girls were laughing when the Mad Miss Raman came into the room. When their Mademoiselle Raymond entered in the room. They were laughing. She laughed them with a little finger. She hushed them with a lifted finger. She made them silent and pointed out to the finger for them. And go to work now, she said. She was very strict nature type of teacher. We already read that all. And she said them, go to work now. Do your job now. Let us busy. Don't laugh and be sincere and serious for your work. And you lies, go to the piano. And lies, their friend, shuddered him, go to the piano. Harry, Monsieur Rocher is here to give you your first lesson on the violin. Violin is a musical instrument. There was also uh, classes were running of the music. So now Miss Rocher, Miss Rochette, Hattie Monsieur, Rochette ma'am is here to give you a first lesson on the violin. Aline, you may go now and tidy your room. And they give the all type of instruction to all the gathered girls to listen there at all. And she ordered one to one to do their work like the Aline, you may go now and tidy your room. Annie and Eva will have a lesson in English and the rest of you will study with me. It's now completed. Have a nice day.